Konnichiwa minasan, watashi wa Dhruv desu, anata no sensei, and in today's video, we will be learning country's name, people, what are the people called of the native countries, and language. Minasan, first country name, America. America is written as America. And the person or a people of America is called Americajin. Americajin. Jin is a suffix used for people of the native country. And the language Americans say is Eigo. So minasan, America is written like this in Japanese. The people or a person of America is known as Americajin, and the language Americans say is Eigo, means English. The next is Indo. Indo is India. Indian peoples are known as Indojin, and the language Indians say is Hindigo. It's Hindigo. Hindigo. Hindigo is a suffix used for language or a script. Next is Japan. Japan is called Nihon. The people of Japan is known as Nihonjin. Nihon. And minasan, the Japanese language is called Nihongo. Nihongo. Brazil. Brazil is called Buraziru. Buraziru. The people of Brazil is called Buraziru Jin, and the language that is spoken in Brazil is known as Brazilians, or it is known as Burazigo. Ru will be cut and go will be added. So it's Burazigo. Burazigo. Russia. Russia is called Rogia. Russia is called Rogia. Rogia. People of Russia is called Rogiajin. And the language they spoke is Russian language, so it is written Rogiago. Rogiago. The next country is UK. UK is written UK as it is, but in Japanese language, U small U K. UK. UK is called UK in Japanese, and the people of UK is UKajin. UKajin. The language that was spoken in UK is Eigo. English. And the last two countries of today's video is Malaysia. Malaysia. Malaysia is called Malaysia in Japanese. Malaysian is known as Malaysian. And the language that was spoken in Malaysia was Chinese. So it will be written as Chugoku. 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 And obviously China. China is known as Chugoku. Chugoku. Chugokujin. And language is Chinese. So Chugoku. Go. Chinese and English are the most spoken languages in China. So we'll also write Eigo. So minasan, in today's video, we have learned these many countries. So, America is called America in Japan. The people of America or Americans is known as Americajin, and the language what is spoken is Eigo, means English. India is known as Indo in Japanese. Indians or Indian people is known as Indo-Jin in Japanese, and the language which is spoken is Hindigo. Japan, Nihon, people of Japan are Japanese called Nihonjin, and Japanese language is known as Nihongo. Brazil, Brazil, Brazilian, Brazilian or Brazilian people, and the language is also known as Brazilian language. So it's Burajigo, not Burazirugo, Burajigo. Russia, Rojiajin, Russian people or Russian, and Rojiago means Russian language. UK is called UK in Japanese. UK-jin means UK is people or UK person, and language is spoken is Eigo. Malaysiajin, Malaysia and Malaysian people, and the language where is spoken is Chugoku, means Chinese, and China. Chugoku. People of China is known as, or Chinese is known as Chugokujin, and the language that is spoken in China are Chugoku and Eigo, means English. So minasan, it's time to say sayonara to all of you. Hope you enjoyed today's Nihongo no Karaso. If you enjoyed today's Nihongo no Karaso, please like, share, subscribe to my Japanese channel Nihongo no Karaso, and its second part is coming tomorrow. Sayonara.